Do not issue notices directly to distant relatives of husband in a domestic violence case. Yes, these are the new guidelines which have come out from Punjab and Haryana High Court, directing the magistrates in the state of Haryana, Punjab, as well as in Chandigarh to follow these instructions carefully. This was a case where a wife had filed a domestic violence complaint not just against the husband, but also his distant relatives as well as his family friends. As per process, a district magistrate last year in September 2022 issued a notice to all the respondents, and subsequently they approached the High Court for relief. Justice Jagmohan Bansal has gone through the file on record and subsequently laid down new guidelines instructing the magistrates not to mechanically issue notices to distant relatives of the husband, and also apply their mind where maybe the respondents are not required to be present in a civil suit and could be perhaps represented by their counsels. Referring to multiple judgments in the case, Justice Bansal asserted that the proceedings under Section 12 are civil in nature and the notice issued in Section 13 are not summons under the CRPC. Gender-biased matrimonial laws are misused, and this is a very well-known fact. In an interesting case that comes from Kolkata today, a man was wrongly arrested under Section 498A and he spent 34 days in jail. The charges levied against him were dowry harassment and attempt to murder of his wife. Now, after almost 4 to 5 months, it has been learned that the man was never married and his ex-girlfriend had actually prepared a fake marriage certificate and got him arrested under these various sections. 28-year-old Niladri Datta and Bachendri Roy used to work in an IT firm in Kolkata. Incidentally, the two were in a relationship, and when Niladri refused to marry Bachendri, she hatched a plan to teach him a lesson. Bachendri then visited a registrar office along with another man, but with the ID and Aadhaar proofs of Niladri, and she was actually successful in getting a marriage certificate registered in her name as well as Niladri. When the officer questioned her as to why the face of the person accompanying her was not matching with the face on the document, she made an excuse of some critical illness and convinced him that they were actually the same persons. Now, after Niladri has spent 34 days in prison, the police actually investigated the matter in detail and learned that the signatures on the marriage certificate had been actually forged and did not pertain to Niladri. They have now also nabbed Bachendri and are questioning her, who has confessed to her crime. They are also looking out for the youth who had accompanied her to the registrar office. Niladri has also alleged that Bachendri had in fact demanded rupees 20 lakh from him to withdraw the complaint. Both these articles have been uploaded on our website voiceformenindia.com. You can visit our website and refer to these cases in detail. I strongly believe that there must be some deterrence set for these kind of cases where people fear to file false cases against any other individual. What are your thoughts on these issues? Please comment and let us know in the section below. Also, please like and share these issues so that people and society can debate more about them in detail. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon again with latest updates. Namaste, Jai Hind.